Another day, another story.
I went for a walk with my family at a nearby farm yesterday. A bunch of colorful birds flew out, chirping and singing, and welcomed us to the farm. I pointed up and said, "Look, birds! It is so cool to see them close." As we kept walking, we heard some loud bleating sounds. We followed the noise and saw a group of sheep grazing in a nearby field. They were so fluffy and cute. I said, "Those sheep are so adorable." Then we heard some clucking sounds. We walked over to a chicken coop and saw some hens and roosters pecking around. They were making all sorts of noises. I said, "Those chickens are so funny looking." We walked along and heard some loud mooing sounds. We followed the noise and saw a group of cows grazing on the grass. They were so big and peaceful. I said, "Those cows are so cool." We came across a pig pen and heard some more oinking sounds. We saw some little piglets running around and playing. They were so cute and energetic. I said, "Look at those piglets having so much fun." We also heard some neighing sounds. We got over to a nearby stable and saw some horses getting ready for a ride. They were whinnying and stomping their hooves. I said, "Those horses are so majestic." Finally, we heard some quacking sounds coming from a nearby pond. We peeked over to the edge and saw some ducks swimming around. They were making all sorts of noises. I said, "Those ducks are so funny looking." As we headed back home, we talked about all the different animal sounds we heard on our walk. It was so cool to learn about all the different farm animals and their unique sounds. I can't wait to go to the zoo next week to watch the wild animals. Please look out for our next video to learn about my zoo experience. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe.